I broke my drone.
Drone down.
Broke it. Well,
Sad day.
This is a beautiful beach, but it's taken its pound of flesh. A crucial part of the home while we roam crew is down.
He was always there to lift us up.
He was
higher.
His energy
Elevated our moods daily.
He could just really had a great view of everything that we were doing.
Here's how it went. End of story. We're sitting on a huge rock here, and this rock formation comes out the mountain.
Yeah.
Comes out from the mountain, and then underneath us there's a little archway. And I said, "Hey Sam, you should fly the drone through the archway." In my brain though, I was thinking from the shore out into the wide open.
Yeah, why wouldn't you do that? Because it's wide open. There's no obstacles to worry about. So
that's for amateurs.
Yeah, that's for amateurs. So what did I do? I flew it
from the wide
from
open,
the water
through
towards the cliff face. And I think I closed my eyes when I drove through when I flew through the cave. I was moving.
And he went, and I'm sitting over there, just hanging out, just watching. Peaceful, beautiful day on the Pacific Ocean. I look back to see, oh, look, my girls are playing in this little like creek bed. And then before my eyes, it's like, smack, right into just granite wall right
so
there.
Embarrassing. I was just trying to get the most amazing drone shot, and I was so focused on flying through the cave that I forgot to think about what's on the other end.
Of course you want to see it though, so without further ado. So the good news is our drone still flies, even after crashing it into the rock face at Endert's beach. We'll probably have to do a little bit of repairs on it, but I've already started checking on how to do that. But stay tuned, and thanks a lot for watching.